I am Alfredo Prieto, teacher of immunology from the University of Alcalá, Spain, and I am going to introduce you the blended workshop Learn how to use the potential of generative artificial intelligence to innovate university teaching. This course starts with a general blueprint presentation and another second that also presents you the general information about the course. The course wants to answer two questions. First, what Gen AI instruction and training will need the university students of today for their professional future? And second, can Gen AI help us, the teachers, to improve our teaching? We start developing a model for AI literacy that includes the 6 main facets, and we will also explain the AI skill sets for teachers by UNESCO. Then we will propose you to use up to 10 grid prompts to make the Gen AI helps you to improve your teaching and learning in your courses. We will teach you how to make an AI capability audit with several free AI tools that offer free large reasoning models with possibility of deep thinking mode and access to bibliographic sources on the web. In a second part of the workshop, we will also explain recommended procedures for introduction of student activities of use of AI in your own courses. We will review the student-centered environments, active and inductive, that are ideal for the integration of student inquiry activities with Gen AI tools. This review of active and inductive methodologies will include the active learning, the case studies, the problem and project-based learning, the inquiry-based learning, and the different forms of flipped classrooms, the just-in-time teaching, the peer instruction, and the team-based learning. We also will discuss topics related with the regulation of student use of artificial intelligence. As a framework for regulation, we will present several taxonomies that have been proposed to specify the levels of AI use that are allowed in different learning and assessment activities. In a final part, we will teach how to use Gen AI literacy as a teacher tool. We will explain how to use AI tools as teaching consultant, assistant teacher, instructive materials co-creator, student tutor, and assessment assistants. An important component of the online part of the blended workshop will be the exercises that we will propose to you. These exercises on how to incorporate AI into your courses will be the foundation for the disciplinary group discussions in the workshop of the day, May 27th. These include exercises that will help you to discover, thanks to the large reasoning models of artificial intelligence, the best teaching practice for teaching your subject. Next, we will propose you to use up to 10 great prompts to make the Gen AI helps you to improve teaching and learning in your courses. We will also propose you a methodology to explore and discover the Gen AI frontier of current AI tools in your own discipline. And we will also propose you to explore your own frontiers as human expert, both in your discipline and in the teaching of your discipline. Finally, we will also propose you to explore the frontier of artificial intelligence, not as an expert, but from the perspective of your students. We also propose several ways to hear the voice of your students by reading their comments on AI responses. And finally, we will teach you how to can develop a plan to introduce into one of our undergraduate courses the activities in which students have to use the AI tools and report the results to you in a structured and transparent way by the use of Google or Microsoft Forms. Finally, I'd like to leave you with a last force idea to take home. We want you to think about artificial intelligence literacy. What is it? What it means? What should types of or kinds of artificial intelligence literacy can we discern? I'll give you a clue. There are more than three. But if you want to know the model of AI literacy we propose in this workshop, then you have to read the first PDF presentation about the blueprint of the workshop. You can see a more detailed description of the different parts of the workshop in the next presentations. One about the blueprint of the workshop and a second about the general information about this formative module.